Are you looking to find a tool that helps you enhance your business's growth and assist you in managing it better? At KSA Tech Consulting, we provide you with an economical and easy-to-use management tool customized for each business's needs. The design of OneBusiness as a modular system makes it optimal to standardize your business. It facilitates you with an easy way to plan, report, and scale your business. OneBusiness Cloud ERP software provides you with an opportunity to focus on customer service and revenue-building tasks rather than keeping yourself busy in repetitive manual processes. The services that Cloud ERP software provides to help you with your business strategies are financial accounting, E-INVOICE, digital invoice, procurement, sales and billing, production planning, point of sale and online store, portfolio management, project management, payroll, teafactory business. Join us to become a part of this revolutionary technology today and improve your business with us. In case of any query, please mail us at support@ksatech.com.au or give us a call at 61-410-348-349.